Rupa, while people like you have worked very hard over the years to educate people, and the ecosystem has also done a lot to make people more financially literate, there is still an element of fear associated with equity. You talk to a newcomer and you say, equity mein invest karo. The immediate reaction is, oh, it's very risky and I'm scared of losing all my money. How do you address that to your clients?
So, risk is it's a risk which is most of the people have not understood. Okay, that is what I believe. Because the most important risk is purchasing power, correct? Today, we have in India, we don't have social security, or we have to provide for us when we retire. We have to provide for us a medical corpus when we have, as time comes. So what happens is, it's that purchasing power. We need to earn more than that inflation. And how do you sustain that? It's only equities as an asset class which will sustain you over inflation and sustain your purchasing power to live. I think that's most important thing where people have to be educated. Also, I think why most of the people say they're risky is over the last few years is, when the market is in a bull phase, people go and put 100% of their money into the markets to get that maximization of returns. I think that's where they lose it if the market goes up and you say that this particular asset class is bad. But over a period of time, what I've realized is, if you tell your investors, out of your, say, 100 rupees of your assets, if you put 10%, 20%, 30% of that into equities for a longer period of time, I think then the risk mitigates. And over a period of time, risk in equities, the risk is only in a shorter period of time and not in the longer period of time.
So you basically are telling them that, look, the only way to get rid of your fear is that you go longer.
Yeah.
The longer term you go, your fear reduces because your risk reduces.
Absolutely. And also understanding what is purchasing power. Because purchasing power is something which is a fact of life that all of us have to lead. And it is important saying that your money earns more than the basic returns like a fixed deposit or any debt to sustain your lifestyle. That's also as much risky, right? If you are saving and if you are not able to sustain your lifestyle when you retire, it's the most important risk at that age that you are creating for yourself.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.